everyone, welcome back at my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am gonna share with you all a solution of your great problem. As you learner, when you start your English speaking journey, you face lots of hurdles and you feel that there is no an English speaking atmosphere at your home and surrounding as well. So how you can start your English speaking practices? This is the problem and big problem, that AI is taking place and how we are using the technology. So with the help of this technology, you can stop yourself to making lame excuses. Really, these all are lame excuses when you will come to know about this platform that I will share with you in this video. Really, it will help you to increase your English fluency as well. This will also enhance your vocabulary, and because you know that at home when we practice before standing a mirror a lot. So what do you practice actually? You practice that, or you practice your daily routine and just you listen yourself and just you speak on, but you don't know is other sider is understanding me or not. So for it, definitely this platform helps you. And you know that when someone is before us and the questions arise simultaneously, spontaneously, we have to be ready for the answers those questions. So this is the main conversation. In this way conversation takes place. So getting to know about this application, you will come back here on my video and you will comment me, thank you ma'am, you told us a really good platform, because there you will not get only a English speaking atmosphere, English speaking partner who all are learner, but you will also get daily vocab, as well as you can listen what you are speaking. And so now, without any exaggerating all those things, let's get started and let me introduce to you all this platform. The name of this application is Joe's Skill, and I think you might have seen its advertisement on YouTube videos. This is a learning platform which provides beginner to advanced level English speaking environment. It suggests you to speak minimum 20 minutes per day, and before connecting the call, the question will also reflect you on screen. This app doesn't show your mobile number, email ID and all to the your calling partner. Actually, your call connects to any one learner who is online on this application at that time. And learner has to speak in only English language. In this way, sometime you get smart English speaker, and during conversation you will come to know about the speaking techniques and skills and learn to each other. But it might be possible second time you connect a little bit slow learner or average speaker. At that time you can incorporate your ideas, your way of speaking to other sider learner. In this way you will gain confidence while speaking and gradually your fluency would be increased. Then next exercise is grammar. There are exercises provided you to solve with feedback. So you would like to solve it again and again, and your grammar concepts will be clear. The next one is spelling. Here you get the correct pronunciation of this word, and below you get the use of this word while framing sentences with Hindi translation. Isn't your learning is interesting? Yes. Even you can record your voice and listen it. This app encourages you by sending reminder to complete your everyday course. And as you install this application, you get 24 hours free trial, and you can call whole day and make your English basic to advance. And if you found this platform really helpful to you, In your learning English speaking, you may take the subscription of 1 year at very affordable price, which is around 1 rupee per day. 1 rupee per day, yes. And 1 year is really enough time to increase fluency of English speaking, and you might be fluent English speaker. Guys, have you seen it that how much this application is helpful to improve your English spoken skill? And here I am telling you that there is no any, this is not a promotional kind of video, and there is no any collaboration like that. Just this is only for your help, because you all know very well that I timely present my content whenever I get time to help you all. So for it I made this video, and